Jambo, Karibu to Evansbet Tech channel. My name is Evansbet. So this is the part 2 of the video about the Opera crypto browser. So in this one, we're going to download and install it. I'm going to download the crypto browser beta version or the developer version so that you can view and see together how it looks like. So here I'm going to download it. So just going to I've put the download this link below for Windows and also for the rest. So for this one, I'm going to try out the Windows crypto browser Opera. So if after you download it, so you can find it in the Chrome browser down here. If you're reading the rest, you can find it in your also downloads. So here is the setup. So in this setup, we're going to click once so that we can install. So it's opening. Yeah. So this is the first look of how it looks like when you click install. So as you can see, it says Opera crypto browser. So by clicking on install, you are agreed to Opera and license agreements carried on that. Also, you can learn how Opera handles and protect your data according to them. And we have options. So it depends with the options now. It's like you customize and you select where you want to put. So you can even choose the language. So from there, if you are another non-English speaking, you can find the languages here. All of them are here. So in Kenya, we speak Swahili. So there's Swahili there. And then if you go up, so you can decide. So for us, I'm going to choose the English, United Kingdom, or English United States. So any can do. And then install for the current user. And then we can select the path that we want to download from to install to. And then you can also make the Opera default if you click here, and you can import bookmarks and data from the default browser. So that's if you want to do that. Also, you can say maybe help improve Opera by sending feature usage information. So you can either decide to do that, or if you go back again. So this is the first thing that you see. So if you click on install, so as you can, it is extracting, and actually you can see it says Opera crypto browser. So this is the developer edition. So it's still under beta. So let's just wait until it finishes to install. So for the current user, which is me, and voila, as you can see here, it has appeared, and it says what? Opera. It says what? Opera crypto developer, and then it has opened. So this is the first thing that you see when you open the Opera crypto browser. So it says Opera is up to date, latest addition. So that's what they have had. If you go to their website, there are other additions which do different things. And then as you can see to your right, there is WhatsApp icon, Telegram, Twitter, all that player. So, and then if you go down, so these are other additions like pinboards. There's ad blocker if you want to can do that. There's video call, pop out, and WhatsApp sidebar. So this is how it looks like, as you can see. So here, as you can see also, here to your right of the browser, this place it says crypto corner. You see customize and control Opera there. So if you go to the crypto corner, if you click on that, you can see it shows all. So this is where now about the news about the crypto and stuff. So how is crypto different from regular money? So these are some news which are out there. So it shows all the news that you need to know, how the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that are performing in the market. So this is how it looks like. So can try maybe it's the settings. As you can see the settings which are here. You can put even the wallpapers. All this, you can even make the default now from this side. Then we have extensions. You can, if you have the extension there, you can put there or manage the extension from there. Let's see. If I click here, so you can, if I click there, you can see again, hello, to explore your crypto browser. So we can even turn on synchronization, so with the other bookmarks and stuff. So if you see that, get to know these features, it tells you. So you have already seen the crypto corner. Let's see about the crypto wallet. So in the crypto wallet, you see now it tells you welcome, experience Web3 with built-in Opera wallet. So it supports Ethereum network, Ethereum coin ERC, 20 tokens, ERC 71, non-fungible tokens collectibles. And then you can decide to create the new wallet or restore the wallet. So from there, so for this, I'm not going, I just wanted to show you how the web, I normally don't use the crypto, but just wanted to show you that. So it's upon you now to decide if you want to try out this. So if you click there, the sidebar setups, workspace, and all this you can find from there. You see. So actually, if you want now the easier way, so here we were when it opened. So if you want to check now the Opera crypto wallet, you can find it here. So here is about the crypto corner, about the news and everything, and here is about now the wallet. So you can open from the wallet from there, and you can create new wallet. So when you create new wallet, it says you have to put a new password, and then the minimum is 8 characters. So let me try out and see what it does. So I'm just going to put my password and this password. So, and then we see what it is. So just some seconds. So the minimum it needs is 8 characters. So let me see what I can do. Okay. So after putting that, and then I click on create. So if I click on create, and then you can see it says write down your 12-word backup phrase in the correct order and store it securely where you can access it. So do not share these backup phrases with anyone, as it grants full access to your wallet. You see. So so you choose how to, write down your backup phrase in the correct order and store it securely where only you can access it. Do not share this backup phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to anyone. So if I'm going to so there's a list that is going to pop up. So from 1 to 12, and it's only I who is can share. So I'm going to blur it out. So I'm going to just blur it out so that you cannot so somebody else cannot access it. So for you create your own, and then in that list you are the only one who can view it. So don't share them. So just like the password, don't ever share your password pin and everything. So also for this one, you don't have to share the backup phrases. And then after so what I'm just going to do, maybe I just take a quick screenshot. So I'm going to take a quick screenshot. So that is window print screen. All right, so that we can continue. And then what I'm going to do, click done. And then as you can see, there's QR code, copy wallet number. So NFT portfolio, my balance is 0, my assets, and with that I have watch list. So if I click on NFT, so it tells me that Ethereum portfolio balance is 0. You can say I can send, I can buy, I can swipe. So nothing here. Your collectibles will appear. So I've not collected anything. So as you can see, there's no activity for me. Then I go back. If I click here about my balance in the Ethereum portfolio balance is 0, I can send, I can buy or swap. So my assets is listed there. So Ethereum here, Ether, I have 0 Ether. And then collectibles, I don't have anything. There's no activity that I've done. So you can see, what if I click send? What happens? So it tells me to enter the address and my assets to see that, and I can put the amount. So that's where I can put. Okay. If I click on buy, so you can tell you ramp, buy it with ramp. Ramp lets you use a debit card to deposit ETH right into your Opera wallet account. So I can decide maybe to continue with the ramp, and then it opens a new tab. So here, so I have to see also it tells you Windows Defender files blocks and features of this app. So I can either allow it or listen or that. So for me, I'm not going to use for it. So domains such as workplace. So that's where you can decide to select what's going to do that. So this one is normally not recommended in public. So maybe I can now try maybe I can say one by domain or private for now, and then can allow access and see. So you see now, if you do that again, so it depends how much do I want to pay in USD or other currencies which are there. Like 100 you get. So if I do that, I get this one Ether. Then you find that $100 all you pay, fees included on that. So I'm not going to proceed. So this was just for the demonstration purposes. So I'll go back to my crypto wallet there. So there, and then if I say swipe, so it says from 0 balance STX stocks, I can swipe to balance STK to like that. So it depends. You see, all these which are here, I can decide to swipe them. So that's it. So if you try out, so just kindly comment below and just tell me what you think about it. Asante. And remember to subscribe to my channel so that we learn more, and I'll take you through all this about tech stuff. Thank you. And so I will say Asante.